Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Yay! After Hours, Game of Thrones.
Yes. Okay, and we're
stick
going.
game.
Yes.
No, I'm excited.
I am too. Okay, so let's do it.
We're playing
Did
for.
you say it? Game of
Game
Thrones.
How do you do?
Oh, yeah. How do you do?
How do you do?
Quit with the how do you do's.
Right.
You know,
That's
I
a
believe
ticket.
so much in this. We all know, but no, tonight definitely it's gonna be big,
Hey,
and I'm gonna win it.
4. I shook a 4.
I'm in it. Well, 6
Minute
or
man.
5, even a 5. Oh, please be one of those. Not that it matters who goes first. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I'm nervous.
It doesn't.
Oh,
Of course.
tie! It's a tie.
All right, 4.
Oh, that takes the pressure
All right,
off.
yeah.
Okay, whatever
Well,
happens. 2.
5.
That's that's fine.
All right.
That first shake, though, that
I'm gonna need sticks to play, right?
yes. To play the stick game, yes, you do. Very good.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
5, 2. 7. 7. 4. Oh, time out to a 5. Wow.
Fiver. That's big.
That's rare.
Here,
Okay.
do it. And try.
I give it my best
Like,
shot.
really,
Yeah,
really
time out
try.
to a 5, sure.
I'd
Well,
do
you
it.
never know.
If I,
Well, top
if I had
prize.
that,
Top
I'd
prize,
do it.
100,000. Here we go. Okay, well, let's see. Winning numbers 19, 44, 33,
I like.
and 12. So now
I
we
like
play. Now we play
11.
the
Did you
field.
say you?
19,
Oh,
44.
40. Okay, okay, okay.
I didn't know. I didn't say 11.
No, I thought you did.
Yeah.
Must have been 44 times.
So we're looking for matchies or symbols.
Yes.
Or the boom. Boomstick. Oh, the boomstick.
What do you mean?
Sometime. No, we're looking for that.
Oh, I thought you found it.
No.
Oh. Well, don't ever say it again unless you get it.
You've done that same thing.
I know.
Don't, yeah.
Well,
No, I don't mean no. I'm just.
I'm
not
staying
even
out
close
of
to
it.
being done yet. Stay out of it.
I am. Whose turn is it going to be? Mine?
Yes.
Well, I'll
No, 'cause I did
concentrate
a
on that.
timeout.
But we should concentrate on this too. I can do both. Double concentration.
No. But double check.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah. It's empty. I double checked tonight. I was at work. I had a job, and I double checked. When you see us tossing, yeah, it's the double check pile. So I have to take my phone anyhow, scan suffrage. Okay. My turn, and 5,
Ooh.
3.
8. Easy 8. Oh, put your own.
Sit back, lose. Oh,
Oh. Go with the game
Yeah,
early. Sure.
yeah. Put your own stick back, extreme. Yeah, I took one for the team with the extreme.
You're a regular
Yeah.
team taker.
Yeah, Mother Teresa.
7.
What about it?
Well, that's 5
No,
people.
a 5 or a 2.
5 or 2.
You hollering out 7 is misleading.
Extreme.
Yeah,
Wipe out.
I'll go back.
And then the number 6. Oh, good. Look, we've got both. We've gotten rid of both the extreme wipeouts.
Oh, mathematician over here. You know there's
the
only
game
2?
Yeah, the game will go quick now.
Oh, I don't even know, and I did the game. Oh.
7.
6, 1.
7. There you go.
6. I got a 6. I got a stick. 3, no. But I got a 6.
Do you want to mix them?
Probably.
I've memorized all the sticks.
Yeah. Well, just don't take my 6.
11. 6 on a 5.
No. Okay. Just leave me alone. You know?
What do you got over there?
Yeah.
Free stick.
What do you got over there?
Doubles. No,
Oh,
no
no
double.
doubles.
But a free stick. Free stick. No
Okay,
double.
don't take
Okay.
my 6.
If I get a 6 or a 5, I get it. Or
Don't take my 6. Easily.
I can't wait to take your stick.
No, you can't.
I just don't take it. I love my stick. There you go. 4. Nothing. See? Well, you're that much ahead. Seven.
Quit with your. Don't get away. 6, 1. Three, 1. 1! Which means right now I have 2 sticks to none.
Yep.
None.
Here we go.
And, yep.
Here comes the hammer.
No. Oh, absolutely. Oh! You want me to say something?
Whoa.
Mhm.
Juicy Lucy.
Oh, no. Concentrate. Concentrate. We.
4. 4.
That's,
Jeez.
close the
I
door.
shook 4.
4. Close the door. Yeah,
Almost.
lame as I've never seen anything.
For the win.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
5-3. What? 5-3. Oh God. 1.
Oh yeah. Yay. See? You got distracted. Bam.
Well, who do I blame for that?
There you go.
But that's okay. Distractions are fine.
I'm gonna close it out right here.
Oh,
There you go. 1-5.
I have 2
6,
sticks. He has 1.
Yeah. All you gotta do is pull it 1 and 5. And get it over.
Oh, that's not gonna
Here it
happen.
comes.
I just don't want you to take my stuff.
5.
Oh, yes!
2.
Yes! Yes!
I got my 5. There you go. There you go. There.
For the win! And I left a spot.
Oh, especially for it. No, I shall. You go ahead, show it.
I won. Ah! Wasn't that great? That was really
fun.
well. I don't know.
That's why we play them.
I
It's fun.
have
Yeah.
to say. Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I know.
Tiger Trench.
That was great. Here, I can't be distracted.
So look at the matches the ticket, kind of.
I matched the ticket. Yeah.
Okay, well, 200,000 up top.
Oh,
Welcome back, everyone, for another episode.
I haven't
$10
left. It's
scratchies.
been.
Open.
We got all kinds of numbers. Look at all those numbers.
Well, can you not win?
Watch it. Oh, pooper.
See?
First.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Double.
Symbol when. Hey,
Oh, the dinosaur
prize.
egg. Look at right off the bat.
Well, dinosaur.
First
Yes.
installment. Okay.
I'm re-rolling, and I'm having a blast. Are you having a blast?
Hmm.
Here.
What? I'm watching you do the ticket. Yeah, no, you're gonna nail it. There, see? First row, second row.
I don't know. I like that up there. $100,000 would be times 2. See? See how I do math?
No, it's true.
I know.
And they all get, no, all those tickets get claimed. Somebody just gets them.
I don't know who does what.
Here we are.
Mhm.
It is a chance. Love is just a memory. Close the door. Oh, last row.
Brother. Okay, folks.
Really? It's just the first.
The first pooper.
First row pooper?
Yeah. First row pooper.
Wow.
First. Okay, it's times 2. So whatever I holler out, times 2 is easy for everyone.
Oh, yeah, times 2.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Times
No,
3.
big number.
Right.
No,
Oh,
big number.
5. Times 2 would be 10. Once again, with that times 2 that I got on the 1, don't give me a times 2. Just give me a 2. Here
Yeah.
I get a symbol, a pooper, which is supposed to always be above and beyond. Why have a pooper? It makes you excited. And I'm not being ungrateful, I swear. But come on.
Yeah, it's a playback. Yeah, it's a playback.
But
sure.
when you get a pooper, have it mean something. Otherwise, anyhow, it's very exciting. And I'm glad
Yay,
we had this time together just to have a laugh or sing a song. Remember Carol Burnett? Those guys used to laugh.
Sorry.
It's not sorry.
Oh, Tim Conway.
Yeah, they
Mrs.
did.
Mrs.
But
Awakens.
that's not sorry.
Well, it's 10
We
out of
won.
10. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I know. The pooper. The pooper.
You know, if you're gonna do that, make it worth something. Yeah.
Don't even have them.
No, you're right.
Get rid of the poopers.
You've had that conversation.
Well, I'll get a
All right.
sign.
So,
I'll take it to the streets.
till tomorrow.
My sister,
or
Jennifer,
the next day.
let's get some air filters going and take it to the streets. No more poopers. Unless it means something bigger than, the amount played. That was a $10 ticket. I got a pooper. Have the pooper be 20 at least. Right? We'll put it on the furnace filters and I'll meet you in the morning. And we'll take it to the streets. Okay. But for now, I'll just say night night.